Hello, everybody. I'm in my room. No one's in here, so I took off my mask. I am going to explain to you what I would like you to do. So, what I would like you to do is I would like you to watch all of these videos on conduction. I would like you to understand that energy in the form of heat will transfer from a liquid into a solid or from a solid out into a liquid. The conduction is heat moving into or from a solid. Remember what the molecules look like in a solid. They're all lined up. Okay? This segment here shows you those lined up molecules in a spoon. Okay? And it also, these two videos, shows you the transfer of how the heat transfers from the liquid to the spoon because the molecules are vibrating and they are transferring that energy and making the next ones bounce and bounce until the whole spoon is heated up. And you will be able to infer what's taking place in this one. Here as well, we see that washers are placed in the hot water, and you can see what takes place. There's energy being transferred from one to another. You decide how that is taking place. Same thing with this one. You decide how that energy is being transferred. Is it from a solid to the liquid or from the liquid to a solid? And it happens with molecules. The vibration of molecules, including the energy. Then we look over here, and you will see these all taking place. And take a look at all these videos. Understand that conduction is heat moving through a solid. Heat moving through a solid into another material or into another solid. So that's one thing I would like you to do for today, which is Monday, October 26th. It is your job to take a look at these and understand them. Thanks.